ma'am.
Those
Okay, thank you.
No, ma'am.
Now, I would like to request our chief guest, Ms. Ratandeep Kaur.
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute, Vishali, ma'am. The students who were absent, once their names can be called again, so that if any one of them has joined, then they can get a chance to speak.
Ma'am, I haven't got turn.
Her Meher of grade 7 would like to present. So we can call it now.
Good morning, respected all.
वाली तभी आएगी सुंदर हरियाली। Say what plant more happy than for the of the lighting.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Har Meher. You did a great job. So now I would like to call just Kirat.
Pranati, in a one go, you can just announce the names.
Okay, ma'am. Ranbir,
Yes, so good morning everyone. My name is Randeep and I am the student of grade 9th. So today on the occasion of one Mahotsav, I am going to speak a small poem. So that I am speaking a poem regarding one Mahotsav. Trees can be short, trees can be tall, whatever kind, I like them all. They give us oxygen, they give us air. We give them love, we give them care. We are taken care of them as if they are our own. From when they were a seedling to fully grown, from berries to cherries, from apples to grapes, they give us different fruits and are in different shapes. With colorful leaves and long brown trunk, we know that the beautiful trees are not junk. They need water, soil, space, and light. which we give them both day and night. So today we all say hooray for the tree special day, which is called One Mahotsav Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Ranveer. You did a great job. So, Gurjot, is Gurjot here?
Niti, you take
Just
the name of the students together. If anyone is here, he or she will proceed.
okay, ma'am. Just Kirat. Please welcome Just Kirat. Please welcome Angel to show her poster.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ilham. I means that I am going to talk about one Mahotsav. It was started in 1950 by Sri K.M. Munsey. So everyone is encouraged to plant a sapling and look after it. Trees, many NGOs, government agencies, and school students make posters and plant saplings to seeds from with local trees are important in our life. They give us oxygen, wood, foods, and many other things. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel. Over to you, Arnav.
I would like to welcome Jehan of grade 4th to recite a poem. Jehan, grade 4th. Please welcome Jehan of grade 4th. I would like to call Vanya of grade 9th to present a speech. I'm done.
Okay. Okay. Now, I would like to request our chief guest, Ms. Ratandeep Kaur, to share her precious words with us.
Ma'am, your mic is mute.
Am I audible? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dear students, nobody will speak.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. And first of all, I would say thank you so much, Principal Ma'am, for the warm welcome. I would like to extend my thanks to Vidya Valley School management for giving me such a wonderful platform on the occasion of One Mahotsav to share my thoughts with students, parents, and the esteemed staff members. As you all know, we are here to celebrate One Mahotsav. So One Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India. Its first seed was sowed 70 years back by Dr. K.M. Munsey. And students, you have done a wonderful job. I'm just kind of like going to repeat the same lines, but I'll go a little bit in depth. So since this is the festival that has gained immense popularity from last few years, millions of saplings are planted all across India in schools, homes, offices, and surrounding areas, especially on this particular week. So students, let me ask you, what is one? So one we all know is forest, nature, life, the trees, the greenery around, and why you students are chosen for this activity. Because you all are so full of energy, enthusiasm, and you are the future of our country, who are going to reap the benefits of what we are sowing today. That is the reason why we are encouraging students across the nation to participate wholeheartedly in celebrating this festival. It was started with a purpose to create awareness among people for conserving forest and what horrific effects deforestation has among masses. And the reason why July month was chosen, because July is the ideal month for the tree plantation, because we get like a very good rainfall around this time. And this is kind of like a beginning of a monsoon season. And that is the reason the survival rate of sapling is much more higher than any other time of the year. That is the reason we particularly celebrate this festival during the July month, beginning of a July month. So since everybody is talking about like planting trees, preserving nature, restoration of trees, so how you as an individual can make this plantation drive successful. So students, when we plant more trees, what benefits we are going to reap from it? You all have explained it wonderfully. I'm going to bring back those points, but a little bit in depth. Like if you're going to plant more trees, we'll have like an increased production of food resources for all of us. So when I talk about like all of us, like humankind, along with if you're having like putting if you have like a more trees, so definitely it's going to be like a food for the cattle. We can feed on that, and planting more trees will help us create a shelter belts around fields to increase productivity. So when we talk about like a shelter belts, the shelter belts you all might have seen. So around the farms where we usually like the crops they are being grown, you see that there's the boundary of a trees. The reason we create a boundary of the trees is so that whenever there are high winds that blow in that area, so the crops damage is going to be like a very less or very minimum crop damage. So that is the reason we kind of like even encourage planting of more trees for the shelter belts. And trees, as you all know, will provide the food and shelter for cattle, birds, and mammals. That is very important. And the trees are a very good source of filtration and provide us oxygen. That is the basic need of a humankind, as well as for the animal kind. So that's the reason we have to plant more and more trees. And they help in like a healthy soil, conserve soil conversion, reduce drought, and also help in soil provision. They help in regulating the water cycle so that we won't see much of like a drought conditions in and around the areas. That is the reason we need to plant more trees. And another very important reason for planting the trees is to increase the forest cover area of India. When I talk about the forest cover area of India, so right now the actual forest cover area is 21%, whereas the Indian government is targeting to increase the forest cover area by 33%. And 21% was the last year, and if we go back in 2019, the stat shows the forest cover area was around like approximately 24%. So we lost 3% of forest cover area. That means we were in so desperate need of like land that we kind of like cut so many trees. So day by day, we are cutting down the trees. That is the reason this initiative is so very important for everybody. Just go ahead and plant more and more trees. If you see like one tree is being cut, go ahead and plant 5 or more trees. That's what we all need to do. So students, please try and adopt at least one tree so that you can nurture it from the sapling to a big tree and take care of it throughout its lifespan. You will realize like how much satisfaction you will get from it. And I was really impressed by, I think the name was Agam Jodh, and his parents showed everybody like how they were planting the tree. And that was very thoughtful of them. That was they were doing today. And student, that's what I will encourage you as well. You go ahead and at least plant one tree. If you don't have like a place in and around your house to plant a tree, just maybe go somewhere where there is kind of like you think like more trees can be grown into like a green belt area. Just go and you kind of like you can go and put the, have a sampling there, sapling there. Or if you can find the place, just go into your school area, just go and have a sapling of your name have there. So student, please go and at least go and adopt the tree. And today's challenge of like global warming, climate change, floods, drought are directly or indirectly linked with excessive deforestation, what we have caused over the years. So again, the same thing is like, that is the reason we are here right now. So if you see that there is like a tree that has been cut, you just go ahead and go and at least plant substitute trees for them. So as we were all talking about, like this is a festival of life. So I just want the participants who are here to tell me a few things. So we were talking about like festival. So students, what is your favorite festival? If I need to ask you. Anybody there?
You can speak now.
Holi.
Festival is Holi.
Holi, right?
Ma'am, Holi.
Holi.
Holi and Diwali. So the students, like all throughout the year, we are so enthusiastic. We just wait for Holi and Diwali to come, right, बच्चों? तो हमारा ये होता है कि Holi, Diwali आएगा and we are going to just celebrate with our friends and family and we are going to do such a wonderful things. The same like Holi and Diwali and Janmashtami.
Raksha Bandhan.
Yes, so Raksha Bandhan. Yes, we all wait for these festivals eagerly. So उसी तरह, this festival also comes yearly. But the good part is, like those festivals have like a specific days and time around them to celebrate. But this festival you can celebrate throughout the year. आपको जब time लगे, you go and plant tree. एक बड़े अच्छी बात एक बच्चे ने कही थी कि हाँ हर रोज हमें ट्री प्लांट करना चाहिए. शायद वो इतना पॉसिबल नहीं है सबके लिए, but you try that you go and adopt a tree. You go and plant a tree or plant a sapling. Then you will see like what a wonderful benefits you're going to get when it's going to grow into like a wonderful tree. So plant more and more trees. I encourage every one of you. And the other thing is, बच्चों जैसे आप अपने घर पे हो और आप बोलोगे कि हम तो छोटे हैं, हम क्या कर सकते हैं अपने घरों में, राइट? हमारे पास तो लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेस हैं, बट आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ अपने घर में रह के. एक बच्चे ने कहा कि उन्होंने पोएम बोली, उनकी पोएम में ये था कि just because of corona we cannot go out. No, that's not the right reason. You still can do and you still can help our environment. So there are few things that you can do. Like अगर आपके घर में जगह है कहीं पे, तो आप जाके प्लांट्स लगाएं अपने घर में and just create like a very nice like a home garden for yourself. अगर आपके घर में जगह नहीं है तो try to like have house plants. The house plants, what they can do is they can help you in regulating house heating as well as the cooling temperature in the house. So they can regulate the temperature in the house. You can have like a few of house plants in there. You can ask your parents to do that for you. There are a few things that you can do. And the other thing is, then we are talking about the trees. Why we are seeing the deforestation these days? Because as a consumer, we are the reason. Okay, बच्चों हम सब reason है deforestation. Because we are not using like environment friendly products. We are kind of like more dependent on like the easy to use products, just use and throw. So go for environment friendly products. आप अपने घर में रह के ये सब चीजें कर सकते हो. कहते हैं ना कि अगर आपको कोई चीज बदलनी है तो first change yourself, first bring the change inside your house. Then you can go step out and then you can bring a change in your society. आप society change नहीं, आप अपने घर को अगर change नहीं कर सकते तो आप society change नहीं कर सकते. First start the initiative by bringing the change within your house. So that you can do is like with the small efforts that if you're using a paper napkin, just go for a cotton napkin. If you're using a paper bags for your shopping, if your parents are going, encourage them that you would like to carry a cloth bag for the shopping. So these are the things you can do. So that is the one thing. So we'll try using environment-friendly products and try to go for the companies that kind of like they do like a less harm to the animals while they are doing testing. So कुछ products होते हैं जिनमें animals की testing होती है, तो you can try to avoid those companies and go for a better companies where they kind of like using organic products, everything. So go for environment-friendly products. And other very important thing is, which that was like I was saving like a best for the last. It was like the 3 R's, which are very important. I think that is like if you want to bring a change in your surroundings, in the environment where you are living, and you want to have like a healthy environment. So those 3 R's are like reduce, reuse, and recycle. So reduce is like every day you are using, if you see like the use of a plastic bags, so stop using the plastic bags. Again, I just mentioning that. So use the cloth bags and the plastic and the paper bags. So paper bags. So because paper, we all know we get from the trees. The less we use these kind of paper bags, so the more we can harm the environment. So ditch the plastic bags, start relying on like reusable containers. If you have in your houses, just keep on reusing the things. So it's very important. Instead of buying in something, just try to reuse the things and start composing at your house. So let me ask you here again. So I don't know if you guys आप कितना गौर करते हो अपने आपके पेरेंट्स कैसे घर में मैनेज करते हैं, like a trash, like if it is a wet trash and a dry trash, you guys separate those trashes? The reason I'm asking,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You do, right? Yes, that's very important. Why it is very important? Because since we are talking about the trees here, so the wet trash is that comes from our, I'm just giving an example, like few things I'm going to pick from here. The wet trash is from your kitchen, like your mothers, they make food for you, the lovely food they make. So what they do is like all the vegetable skins, they are going to throw into the veg trash. Then the tea leaves, chai patti, they're going to throw in the wet trash. So keep this trash separate and try to do composite. So what they does is like when somebody collects the waste management, they collect trash from your houses, they will go to the composite side and they will make a composite of it, that wet trash which you are giving from your house, and that will convert into the manure, like a card. And the card is a food for the trees. See, it's coming back. It's a circle of life. So we are talking about the planting the saplings, planting the trees. We are talking about that. But how about their food? How about their water? That also we need to take care of that. Right? So try to separate your trash. So that's the wet and the dry. And when I talk about like the dry trash, so let me ask you another thing. How many of you love pizzas? And the cakes? I'm sure most of you would love, right? You must have ordered pizzas. So pizzas, they come in like a pizza boxes. So pizza boxes are like a cardboard boxes. The cake comes in the cake boxes. And so many cardboard and the papers we see around. So from where all these boxes they are coming from? They are coming from the trees. So what you can do is you can recycle them. These boxes, they have a life. What they do is they go to the recycle management. And what recycle management do is they recycle these ones. So whenever you see like a triangle shape. So I have like a one box here, like a pizza box. I can show you. It says like a please recycle. Just look for this label on all the products, like on the water bottle, like the glass water bottle, what you can see. You get the juice water bottles, all those bottles you can recycle. You can recycle these cardboard boxes as well. All the shopping boxes that you get at your house from like different retailers, online retailers, the paper bags. So these things you try to recycle, and so that they can come back to life instead of like throwing them here and there. So I hope so, like, yeah, from now onwards, you're going to segregate your trash, and that will really, really help the environment. So if recycling is kind of like, it's going to cut so much cost for cutting down the trees that is happening right now. So avoid using the boxes and try to be creative. When I talk about like a reuse, that's another R. Another R is like a try to be more creative with all the things you have in and around your house. So if you have like a box, the cardboard boxes, right? The shopping box you get, try to decorate the box with a cloth and use it like a container instead of going to the market and buying like a plastic container. So don't do that. So instead of using that one for a storage container. So these are small things you can do. There are so many wonderful videos out there in the internet. You can just see like how you can repurpose everything and bring like life to boxes as well. So that's how we can do. And that's what I would like to say. And so it is a time for us to now respect our Mother Nature for all it has given us and take a pledge to preserve it. Okay, I hope so. Yeah, you all enjoyed my conversation. Yeah, and happy Van Mahotsav to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was indeed motivating and extremely informative. Ma'am, you're requested to make your judgment simultaneously.
Yes.
Now, I would like to call Charvi of grade 4 to present the speech. Charvi, over to you. Charvi of grade 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start the time.
Good morning, ma'am. Van Mahotsav is an tree planting festival in India, celebrated in the first week of July. People celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting trees in home and school. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am proud of you, Charvi. Well done. I would like to call our principal, ma'am, Dr. Suman Lata, to present the vote of thanks.
Okay, just a minute, ma'am. I got one message in the chat box that one child, Zihan, his presentation was left because of connectivity issue. So first we can see his presentation and then after him I'll do. Zihan, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
All your devices nearby. Yes, Jihan. Yes.
Good morning. My name is Jihan Rawal. Today I am reciting a poem on Van Mahotsav. Let's sing a song. Let's come along. Let's plant some trees. Let's get some seeds. Come along and bring a pot. Do good what God has taught. To plant some trees which are home to bees. So hey, let's sing a song. Let's come along. Let's plant some trees. Let's get some seeds. Thank you.
That was a great performance, Jihan. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Jihan. There is one more child, Sarabjit. I can see his name in chat box. He was also facing some connectivity issue. Now he is here to present his poster. Are you here, Sarabjit? Yes, Gunjit ma'am. Is Sarabjit here?
Yes, ma'am. Angad, can you call Sarabjit here? Angad?
Okay.
And if there is any other child who couldn't present earlier due to network issue, they can present right now.
1 minute, he is coming.
Yes, Sarabjit, will you be able to?
Sarabjit, are you there, beta?
Yes, Sarabjit.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You can show your poster, Sarabjit.
अपने दूसरे
You can explain it as well.
Sarabjit, would you like to speak few lines?
Explain करो हमको.
Sarabjit,
Yes, ma'am.
want to say few lines on it? Few lines. I think you can. Yes.
Biocity is the way, so do not let nature go to a race. Every animal, plant and tree, that's biodiversity.
Biodiversity. That's it. That's it, Sarabjit. Okay, beta. Fantastic. Amazing.
Yes, good morning, one and all present here. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Ratandeep Kaur for sparing her precious time to enlighten the students with her enriching words. As ma'am has beautifully explained about the significance of forest, she has given a statistical data also that that it's very sad now that forest rate is being decreasing. And ma'am has beautifully explained that that why do we celebrate this one Mahotsav in the month of July, particularly why do we do this in this particular month. As ma'am asked every student that which is your favorite festival, rather if this question be put on the faculty, on us also, then definitely our answer would be it's Diwali, Lodi or Holi. But I want that each and every student must celebrate one Mahotsav as well, and it should be their favorite festival. because it is beneficial for us. If we'll be planting tree, we'll be planting sapling, then ultimately it will be important for us, for our health. So ma'am has told that though during this COVID-19 time, we cannot go out from our homes, but we can plant in-house plantation can be done. Kitchen gardens can be maintained. By doing so, we will be able to get refresh air, and by doing this, we would be remain healthy by doing these activities. We should not only plant a sapling, but we will have to take care of that also. We'll have to do the watering, put proper manure, and to nourish that plant. It requires a lot of patience, because if we plant a tree, we see that when it will grow, when it will become, if we are planting a sapling, we'll have to see that when it will become a tree. But it requires a lot of patience. It will definitely be converted into a tree, but we will have to nurture it. We will have to nourish it. We will have to water it regularly. Whatever the things it requires, we will have to give those. And ma'am has very beautifully explained that we should use environmental friendly products. And ma'am has told us the ways also that how we can do all these things. And she has beautifully explained about the segregation of waste. How do all of us can segregate the different products which we are using our homes, and how these can be recycled, these can be used in the variety of ways. And ma'am has introduced a new term, a fourth R, because earlier we were aware of 3 R's only: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now ma'am has introduced a new term, recreate. It's a really very innovative, and we must, everybody, all the students, all the faculty, we will have to use this new term also, recreate. We will have to recreate, we will have to create that environmental friendly product as it is the need of the day. And thank you so much, Ratan ma'am, because we are here having a morning, and there during this late night, you have spared your precious time so that you would be able to encourage our future generations, because now the future of the country is in their hands only. Because if they will be having a sensitization towards the conservation of environment, only then our environment will be pollution free, and we will be able to save our precious planet Earth. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your enriching words. And we are really enlightened with these words, with all your suggestions. And I'm sure that all our students would be able to use the suggestions given by you in their day-to-day life. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your A very warm good morning to one and all. A new day means fresh start and new opportunities. So let's greet the day with open arms. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Ratandeep Kaur, our chairperson, Mrs. Surinder Kaur, Deputy Director, Mr. Simarpreet Singh, and Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Suman Lata, to the virtual celebration of One Mahotsav celebration, where students of different classes will showcase their talent and will be rewarded. I may call upon my colleague, Kusum Ma'am, to begin our day with school anthem.
There's a school in Mohali by the name of Vidya Valley. There is a school in Mohali by the name of Vidya Valley. Together we rise, together we shine, to enter new world of life. Together we rise, together we shine, to enter new world of life at Vidya Valley. We rise and shine at Vidya Valley. We rise and shine, get wings to us. New life, new life, new life, new life. There's a school in Mohali by the name of Vidya Valley. There's a school in Mohali by the name of Vidya Valley. Together we run, together we fun, to enter new beautiful life. Together we run, together we fun, to enter new beautiful life at Vidya Valley. We rise and shine at Vidya Valley. We rise and shine, get wings to our new life, new life, new life, new life. There's a school in Mohali by the name of Vidya Valley. There's a school in Mohali by the name of Vidya Valley.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to call my student Pariniti of grade 9 for further announcement. Dear students, kindly note, please be stick to the time limit. Duration should be 1 to 2 minutes only. Over to you, Pariniti.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. As you all know, that we are celebrating One Mahotsav week. So third day of this week, we are going to start with many activities. First of all, I would like to call my classmate Ridhima to speak few lines about One Mahotsav. Please welcome Ridhima.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, Pranati.
Good morning, ma'am.
everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Dear students, you're requested to mute yourself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ridhima, and I'm the student of Vidya Valley School. So today I'm going to speak some lines about Van Mahotsav, which is an annual tree planting festival. It was initiated by M.K. Munshi, the Union Minister of Agriculture and Food in 1950. It is celebrated to create awareness about devastating effects of deforestation. During this event, millions of trees are planted. Our country has so many festivals and mythological stories related to forests and trees. The most celebrated of them is Van Mahotsav, a week-long celebration organized in July, which is dedicated to Mother Earth to protect our life system on the planet. Van Mahotsav is a great example by Indian government to ensure afforestation by citizens. At last, I would like to conclude by saying it is the responsibility of each and every citizen to make sure that the ideology behind this festival need to be fulfilled. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Ridhima. Please give Ridhima a big round of applause. So I'd like to call Siddhima. Welcome our chief guest, Ms. Ratandeep Kaur. Please welcome Siddhima.
Thank you, Praniti. Now I would like to share my lines for our chief guest. Ms. Ratandeep is a software engineer working in IT sector from a decade. She had an opportunity to work with prestigious clients in USA. Apart from being a software professional, there are few things that are close to her heart. And she contributes her extra time doing volunteering in healthcare sector, community development programs, environment reserve initiatives, and also in animal welfare programs. She strongly believes in giving back to the community. She is always in the front to help others at the time of crisis. She is a multi-talented personality. She encourages every person to try and inculcate some of the values talked earlier and be part to make an amazing society around us. We are very grateful to Ms. Ratandeep for accepting our invitation and marking her presence here. Thank you.
Thank you, Ridhima. Siddhima, please give Siddhima a big round of applause.
Thank you, Siddhima, for a warm welcome.
So moving further, now I would like to call Arnav from grade 8 for the further announcements.
Thank you, Pranati. Good morning, one and all present here. My name is Arnav Sharma and I am from grade 8. Now, I will announce the name of students who are going to participate in different activities. So firstly, I would like to call Ashmeet of grade 5th, and she is going to recite a poem on Van Mahotsav.
सुप्रभात, मैं रश्मीत सिंह चाहल, कक्षा 5वीं का छात्र वन महोत्सव की महत्वता को बताना चाहता हूँ। उसके लिए मैं एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ। फल फूल छाया ये देते, ऑक्सीजन भी भरपूर देते। बात ये सबको कहलाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ। प्रदूषण को ये दूर हटाते, बाढ़ से हम सबको बचाते, वायु को ये स्वच्छ बनाते। आओ मिलकर आज कसम ये खाएं, पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ। धरती पर हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। पेड़ धरती की शान है, जीवन की मुस्कान है। जीवन को और सरल बनाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ, हरा भरा जीवन बनाओ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you for the lovely poem. A big round of applause for Ashmeet. Over to you, Praniti.
So now I would like to call Vihan from class 5th.
वन में वृक्षों का वास रहने दो, झील झरनों में सांस रहने दो। Good morning, everyone. I am Vihan Chopra from 5th class. Today I am going to speak a short Hindi poem on Van Mahotsav Day. वन में वृक्षों का वास रहने दो, झील झरनों में सांस रहने दो। वृक्ष होते हैं वस्त्र जंगल के, छीनो मत ये लिबास रहने दो। वृक्ष पर घोंसला है चिड़ियों का, तोड़ो मत ये निवास रहने दो। पेड़ पौधों की करो रखवाली, तभी तो आएगी सुंदर हरियाली। कहते हैं सब वेद पुराण, वृक्ष तो होते हैं पिता समान। थैंक यू। हैप्पी वन महोत्सव डे।
Thank you, you Vihan, your dog. Over to you, Varna.
Now I would like to call Juhi of class 5th, and she will give a speech.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Juhi Sharma. I study in 5th class. Today I want to give a speech on Mahotsav. One Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India, celebrated first week of July. This movement was initiated in the year 1950 by India's Union Minister of Agriculture, Kulapati Dr. K.M. Munshi. This festival has gained immense national importance, and every year millions of saplings are planted all across India. In observation of the Van Mahotsav week, it is expected that every citizen of India has to plant a sapling in the week. It is about the planting of trees. Planting of trees during the festival serves various purposes like providing alternative fuel, increase production of food resources, helps create shelter belts around fields to increase productivity, provide food for cattle, offers shade and decorative landscapes, helps conserve soil, deteriorations, etc. The festival educates the awareness of trees among people and portrays the need of planting and understanding of trees, as trees are one of the best ways to prevent global warming and reduce pollution. Van Mahotsav is celebrated as a festival of life.
That was awesome. A big round of applause for Juhi. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Harshil from grade 5th to show his dedication towards the environment through a poster. Please welcome Harshil. I think that Harshil was not able to join. So moving further, now I would like to call from class 5th to show his poster. So Meansh, please show your poster.
Soniti, I think we can take the name of next child. Maybe some internet issue at his end.
Okay, ma'am. Now I would like to call Kartavya from grade 5th to show his poster.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kartavya. Today I am going to describe my poster. Here, one father and son is planting trees, is planting a plant. It is giving us a message to plant more and more trees. Each one of us present here should plant more trees, and in the end, I would like to say, save tree, save life. Thank you.
Thank you for the great job, Kartavya. Over to you, Arnav.
Now, I would like to call Shivansh of grade 4th, and he will recite a poem.
Good morning to everyone. Sant जनों का
Shivansh, make sure
संत जनों का है ये कहना, धरती माँ का वृक्ष है गहना, वृक्ष लगाओ हरियाली लाओ.
You're not audible.
Yes,
Shivansh,
ma'am.
I think one more device is there nearby you. You will have to mute that device. I think Sahil must have joined the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
ask Payal to mute. Shivansh, ask Payal to mute herself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Shivansh, now you can again start.
ओके मैम. संत जनों का है ये कहना, धरती माँ का वृक्ष गहना, वृक्ष लगाओ हरियाली लाओ, पेड़ न काटो रखो ध्यान, धरती का है ये परिधान, इससे ही जीवों में जान, इससे ही वसुधा की शान, वृक्ष लगाओ, धरती को स्वर्ग बनाओ. Thank you.
Wow, beautiful poem. Over to you, Pranati.
Now I would like to call Harshil from grade 5th to show his poster.
Good morning, all of you. Today I will explain some lines on my poster. This is my poster. It has two portions. The first portion explains if we plant trees, if we plant more than more trees, so our earth will be night and clean. If we cut trees, so our earth will be pollutionable and dirty. So I will speak some lines on importance of plants. Trees form the core factor of sustaining life on earth. They cleanse the air and make it favorable to breathe. Trees maintain an ecological balance of the environment. Trees form a natural habitat for the animals, birds, insects, and wildlife. Trees reduce surface runoff and soil erosion by binding the soil around its roots. Thank you.
Great job. Your poster was very beautiful. Over to Arnav.
Now, I would like to call Devjot of class 5th to present a speech.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Van Mahotsav. It is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in the first week of July, that is from 1st July till 7th July. It was started on 21st August 1950. Dr. K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to spread awareness among the people. Van Mahotsav is also known as the Festival of Trees and the Festival of Life. Thousands of saplings are planted across India by the people during this week of the year. Trees are the most precious gift given to mankind, and it is our duty to save it. But man is destroying it for his own selfish needs and ends. He is cutting down the trees, and we are steadily moving towards the path of destruction. Imagine a world where there will be no trees and no forests. I know it's really hard to imagine. For the love of nature, we need to save and preserve it. Thank you.
That was fantastic. A big round of applause for Devjot. Over to Pranati.
So now I would like to call Vihan from grade 5th to show his poster to everyone. Please welcome Vihan.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vihan Sharma from class. This is my poster. I have made it. It shows that two children are planting the trees, and earth is very nice. Earth is green. Earth is green and blue. And I would say that we should always plant the trees more and more to keep our earth like this. Trees depends on the trees. And one more thing I want to say in the last, we should always plant the tree more and more as we can. We should plant one tree at least in a day. Thank you.
Thank you, Vihan. It was a very useful speech as well as the poster was very beautiful. Over to you, Arnav.
Now, I would like to call Sahiba of grade 5th, and she will recite a poem.
Good morning. My name is Salva. I'm from class 5. Today I'm gonna speaking a poem on Van Mahotsav. Trees can be short, trees can be tall, whatever kind, I like them all. They give us oxygen, they give us air, we give them love, we give them care. We take care of each as if they were our own, from when they are seedling to fully grown. From berries to cherries, from apple to grapes. They give us different fruits and grow in different shapes. With their colorful leaves and long brown trunk, we know that beautiful trees are not junk. They need water, soil, space, and light. We give them those things day and night. So, thank you.
Thank you for the lovely poem. A big hand for Sahiba. Over to you, Pranati.
First, I would like to say that everyone present here are requested to join again after 10 minutes on the same act. So, I have Nimrat from grade 6 to show the poster. Please welcome Nimrat.
नमस्ते साथियों। नमस्ते प्रिंसिपल मैम। आज वन महोत्सव का दिन है। पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ। धन्यवाद। देखिए, save the earth, save tree. This is my plant of Vidya plant. This is my Vidya study plant. I am going See, I have fixed it here. See, save our life with plants and trees. Do not cut trees and plants. See, I have fixed it here. See, I have fixed it here. My work is complete. See, this is Vidya study plant. See, thank you.
Thank you, Nimrat. We can see your dedication through the plants you planted today. So over to you, Arnav.
Now, I would like to call Vamika of grade 8 to present a speech.
वीडियो बना लो जीत ये वाली वीडियो भेजनी है ये ले ठीक है
Dear students, parents, you are requested to please cooperate. Kindly mute yourself.
Please welcome Vamika. I think that there is some network issue. So proceeding further, I am announcing the name of Vanya of grade 9th and she will present a speech.
Morning and one and all present here. Myself, honorary student of 5th class, present my declaration. Topic on One Mahotsav. One Mahotsav. One Mahotsav is an annual planting festival in India. The meaning of One Mahotsav is the Festival of Trees, and also nowadays it is also celebrated as a Festival of Light. It's celebrated in the first week of July. This movement was initiated in the year 1950 by India's Union Minister for Agriculture, Kulavati Dr. K.M. Munshi. It is expected that every citizen of India has to plant a sapling in the Van Mahotsav week. It helps spread awareness amongst people about the harm caused by the cutting down of trees. The planting of trees during the festival serves various purposes like providing alternative fuel, increased production of food resources, helps to create shelter belts around fields to increase productivity, provide food or cattle, offers shade, add, and decorative landscapes, etc. The festival indicates the awareness of trees among people, and only this is the best way to prevent global warming and also reduce pollution. Thank you and have a nice day.
That was amazing. A big round of applause for Anya. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Sumansh from grade 5th as he's here. Please welcome Sumansh.
Everyone. I am Sumansh Sharma, grade 5. On the day of Dharma Utsav, I have made a poster and have lines on it.
Wow, Sumansh, it is a very beautiful poster. Over to you, Arnav.
Now, I would like to call Arav Sharma of grade 4 for reciting a poem. Please welcome Arav of grade 4.
सुप्रभात आप सबको, मेरा नाम आरव शर्मा है। सुप्रभात आप सबको, मेरा नाम आरव शर्मा है, मैं चौथी कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने वन महोत्सव के उपलक्ष्य में एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार, आओ मिलकर कसम खाएं, अपनी धरती हरित बनाएं। धरती पर हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, पेड़ धरती की शान है, जीवन की मुस्कान है। पेड़ पौधों को पानी दो, यही जीवन की निशानी है। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम, पेड़ लगाकर जगमगाकर जीवन सुखी बनाए हम। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम। कहते हैं सब वेद पुराण, कहते हैं सब वेद पुराण, एक वृक्ष 10 पुत्र समान, एक वृक्ष 10 पुत्र समान। पेड़ों को ना काटो भाई, पेड़ों को ना काटो भाई, यह करते प्राण।
Once again.
Okay. Now I would like to welcome Arav of grade 4 to recite a poem.
सुप्रभात आप सबको। मेरा नाम आरव शर्मा है और मैं चौथी कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने वन महोत्सव के उपलक्ष्य में एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार, आओ मिलकर कसम खाएं, अपनी धरती हरित बनाए। धरती पर हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो, पेड़ धरती की शान है, जीवन की मुस्कान है। पेड़ पौधों को पानी दो, यही जीवन की निशानी है। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम, पेड़ लगाकर जग महकाकर जीवन सुखी बनाए हम। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम। कहते हैं सब वेद पुराण, कहते हैं सब वेद पुराण, एक वृक्ष 10 पुत्र समान, एक वृक्ष 10 पुत्र समान। पेड़ों को ना काटो भाई, पेड़ों को ना काटो भाई, यह करते प्राकृतिक भरपाई, यह करते प्राकृतिक भरपाई। धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाकर करें शुरुआत। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ जाए। आप सबको वन महोत्सव की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Wow, thank you for the lovely poem. Over to you, Pranati.
So now we'd like to call Aksh from grade 4 to show his poster. Please welcome.
Save the earth, we are the guardians of nature's birth. Good morning all of you. My name is Aksh Sharma. Respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today I want to speak some few lines on Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is celebrated on first week of July, which is 1st July to 7th July. This day is celebrated to spread मैम ने आपको क्या बोला था? Among the people. This day started on 1950 by K.M. Munshi. Van Mahotsav is celebrated on July because there is a lot of rain in July, and if we plant trees now, they will get ample of water and grow faster. And we should celebrate Van Mahotsav daily because trees help us in many ways. Trees help us in purifying the air. Trees help us to stop floods and soil erosion. Trees also help us in reducing global warming. Trees give us lots of fruits, vegetables, and medicine. Save tree, save earth. Happy Van Mahotsav to all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Aksh did a great job. Please give Aksh a big round of applause. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Vamika of grade 8 to present her speech.
Good morning to all. My name is Vamika Sharma and today I am going to speak few lines on Van Mahotsav. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Van Mahotsav. It is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in the first week of July, that is from 1st July till 7th July. It is started on 21st August 1950 by K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to spread awareness among the people. Van Mahotsav is also known as the Festival of Trees and the Festival of Life. Thousands of saplings are planted across India by the people during this year. Trees are the most precious gift given to mankind, and it is our duty to save it. But man is destroying it for his own selfish needs and ends. He is cutting down the trees, and we are steadily moving towards the path of destruction. Imagine a world where there will be no tree, no forest. I know it is really hard to imagine, For the love of nature, we need to save and preserve it. The needs of the art is that all the destruction caused by humans can only be balanced through afforestation. Each one of you present have a request to keep each other sapling and give as a token of love. Small initiative by us, we help us in making our planet greener and cleaner. In the end, I would like to say, save trees, save life. Thank you and happy Van Mahotsav.
Wow, that was awesome. A big round of applause for Vamika. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Shabuddin from grade 4 to show his poster. Please welcome Shabuddin.
Please see my poster.
Wow, Shabuddin, your poster is very beautiful. Over to you, Arnav.
Now, I would like to call Namishi of grade 4 to recite a poem.
A very good morning to all. I am Namishi Sharma, student of grade 4. I am going to recite a poem on the eve of Van Mahotsav. Trees can be short, trees can be tall, whatever kind, I like them all. They give us oxygen, they give us air. We give them love, we give them care. We take care of these as if they were our own, from when they are a seedling to fully grown. From berries to cherries, from apples to grapes, they give us different fruits and grow in different shapes. With their colorful leaves and long brown trunk, we know that the beautiful trees are not junk. We know trees need space, light, water, and soil. We give those things day and night. So today we all say, hooray! On the tree special day called Arbor Day or Van Mahotsav. So plant more trees and save the earth. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, that was fantastic. A big round of applause for Namishi. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Ripjeet from grade 6 to show her poster.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ripjeet. Today I am going to describe my poster on the occasion of Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is celebrated on the first week of July. Nowadays, people are cutting trees to make their homes, but they are destroying animal homes also. If we will cut trees, our earth will become like this. There will be no rain and no water. The temperature will become very high due to no rain. If there will be trees on our earth will become pollution free and animals will become very happy like this. Because their homes are not yet being destroyed. Trees are very important to human beings also because they give us oxygen, medicines, fruits, etc. So we should save trees and make our earth clean and green. Save trees, save earth. Thank you.
Thank you, Ripjeet. You did a great job. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Vanya of grade 9 to present her speech. Please welcome Vanya.
Arnav, she's not here in the meeting. You can proceed with the next one.
Okay. Now I would like to call Samaira of grade 5th to present a speech.
Good morning, and all present here. My name is Naira. Today I am going to speak a few lines on the occasion of Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is a festival which was started by K.K. Munshi ji, Union Minister of Agriculture, to create enthusiasm among masses of the forest conservation and planting trees. It is now a week-long festival. One means forest and Mahotsav means festival. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting movement in India, which began in year 1950. The name Van Mahotsav means Festival of Forest. It has gained significant national importance, and every year millions of saplings are planted across India in observation of Van Mahotsav week. It is generally celebrated in the first week of July, from 1st to 7th July. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Van Mahotsav.
Wow, that was awesome. A big round of applause for Samaira. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Amanjeet from grade 4th. Please welcome Amanjeet.
Hello everyone, I am Anandjeet Sidhu. आज वन महोत्सव का दिन है और हमें पेड़ बचाओ, पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Amanjeet. You did a great job. Over to you, Arnav.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Now I would like to call Jihan of grade 4th to recite a poem. Please welcome Jihan.
Now you can take the name of next child, maybe some internet issue at his end.
So now I would like to call Akash of grade 4th to recite a poem.
Good morning to all my teachers and friends. My name is Akash Goyal. वन महोत्सव पर मैं आज आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाना चाहता हूँ। पेज 1 पेज। वन में वृक्षों का वास रहने दो, झील झरनों में सांस रहने दो। वृक्ष होते हैं वस्त्र जंगल के, छीनो मत ये लिबास रहने दो। वृक्ष पर घोंसला है चिड़ियों का, तोड़ो मत ये निवास रहने दो। पेड़ पौधों की करो रखवाली, तभी आएगी सुंदर हरियाली। तब कहते हैं सब वेद पुराण, पेड़ तो है पिता समान। भगवान का वरदान है पेड़, हमारी सांस है पेड़, फिर क्यों काट रहे हो पेड़। हैप्पी वन महोत्सव टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Akash, for the lovely poem. A big round of applause for Akash. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Jasleen from grade 7 to show her poster.
Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to describe my poster. When the earth was happy, when the earth was made, the earth was very happy. There were a lot of trees and animals living on earth. But when humans took birth on earth, humans made lot of factories, burn crackers that create pollution. So the other side of the earth is very sad. Thank you and happy Van Mahotsav Day to all.
Thank you, Jasleen. Your poster was very beautiful. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Pranati of grade 9th to present a speech.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Pranati and I am a student of grade 9. So today, we all have gathered here to celebrate Van Mahotsav. It is an annual tree planting festival which is celebrated in India every year. It is celebrated in first week of July from 1st July to 7th July. It was started on 27th August 1950 by Dr. K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister of Agriculture, to spread awareness among people. Van Mahotsav is a festival of plants planted across India India by the people during this week of the year. Trees are most precious gift given by mankind, and it is our duty to save it. But man is destroying it for his own selfish needs. He is cutting down the trees, and we are steadily moving towards the path of destruction. So at the end, I would like to conclude that we should save trees for our own benefits, because if we'll save trees, we'll get good air, our surroundings will be good, our environment would be good. So I would like to request everyone present here that they should plant a tree not all days of the year, but just in this week, which will help the earth. Thank you and have a nice.
Thank you, Pranati. That was great. Now I would like to call Nishita of grade 6 to recite a poem.
Good morning to respected principal ma'am and teachers. Today I am going to speak a poem on Van Mahotsav Day. Let's sing a song, let's come along, let's plant some trees, let's get some trees, come along and bring a pot, do good what God has taught, to plant some trees which are home to bees. So hey, let's sing a song, let's come along, let's plant some trees, let's get some seed. Thank you.
Thank you for the lovely poem. That was great. A big round of applause for Nishita. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Agamjot from class 4th to show his poster. Please welcome Agam. I think that Agamjot is not here due to some network issue. So moving further now, I would like to call Ranveer from grade 7th to show his poster. Please welcome Ranveer. Please welcome Payal from grade 7th to show her poster.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to describe my poster. Save the trees, save the earth. We are the guardian of the nature birth. Thank you and happy Van Mahotsav Day.
Great job, Payal. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Rishita to show her dedication through a speech. Rishita from grade 4, please welcome.
The true meaning of life is to plant a tree. A very good morning to our respected principal ma'am, director ma'am, sir, teachers, and our honorable chief guest, Ms. Ratan Deep. All, my name is Rishita Blackie, student of class 4. Today we are gathered here to celebrating Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India, started in 1950 by the Union Minister of Agriculture, Dr. K.M. Munshi. The festival teaches the awareness of planting and nursing trees among the people, as trees are one of the best methods to limit global warming and decrease pollution. Trees also tells us every day I supply oxygen 4 up to 4 papers. Don't you think I am worth saving? You have no future without me. Let me live. Killing me in the name of development. How will you live without me? I clean the air that you breathe. I can do for your children too if you let me live. Damn, I feel so helpless because humans are the one of the creatures in the world who cut trees, make paper from it, and write safe trees on it. I don't know that I realize that trees are our best friends. So plant a tree and make the earth a better place to live. Thank you.
Wow, that was great. A big round of applause for Rishita. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Gurjot from grade 7 to show his poster. I think that Gurjot is not here. So moving forward, I would like to call Kiran from grade 7 to show her poster. Please welcome Kiran. So now we'd like to call Angad from grade 8 to show his poster. Please welcome Angad.
Good morning to all. My name is Angad Singh. I am the student of grade 8. Today I will speak few lines on Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting movement in India which educative began in 1950. The name of Van Mahotsav means the festival of trees. It has every year. Millions of supplants are trees across India in observation of Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav festival was started in 1915 by K.M. Munshi, then the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food, to create among masses of forest conservation and planting trees. It is celebrated in among all parts of India, but usually begins between 1st July and 7th July. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, Angad, your poster was very beautiful. So over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Simrat to present a speech. Please welcome Simrat.
Good morning, all. My name is Simrat Kaur and I'm from grade 5. Today I have made a poster for Van Mahotsav Day. As we know, we all celebrate this festival to encourage people to plant trees and take care of them. We all depend on plants. Plants give us many things. Plants give us food to eat, oxygen to breathe, and paper to study.
We also need a lot of oxygen these days because people are dying due to COVID and lack of oxygen, and trees are very helpful in these diseases. We all should plant more and more trees for a good environment. Thank you.
Wow, that was fantastic. A big round of applause for Simrat. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Arman from grade 7th to show his poster. Please welcome Arman.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arman, and today I'm telling about Van Mahotsav. We should not have to cut trees. We have to plant more and more trees. Trees give us oxygen and everything. So at the end, save trees, save Earth. Thank you and have a nice day.
You did a great job, Arman. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Arjita of grade 7th to recite a poem.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arjita, and today I recite a poetry on Van Mahotsav. Dear loving trees, forgive us all, please. We would not sow you this year due to this dangerous virus invented by Chinese. We are all sitting at home cooking beans and peas and also on the window enjoying the harmless breeze. Thought we live our life and cut off with the knife. We must apologize because for us you sacrifice. We don't understand your value. Understanding it is outside our purview. I would just like to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you and happy Van Mahotsav.
It was fantastic. A big round of applause for Arjita. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Abya from grade 8 to show her poster. Please welcome Abya. I think Abya is not here. So moving further, I would like to call Sahil from grade 8 to show his poster. Please welcome Sahil. Please welcome Aditya from grade 8 to show his poster.
Yes. I want to say some lines about Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting movement in India, which initially began in 1950. The name Van Mahotsav means the festival of trees. In this picture, I want to tell about one thing that protection of earth and trees are biggest responsibility. No one can live without fresh and pure air, and only trees provide us pure air. So it's my humble request to all that plant more and more trees. Save us, save trees. Cut the greed, not the green. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. Please give Aditya a big round of applause. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Shiksha of grade 8 to recite a poem.
Good morning to all. My name is Shiksha Sharma. I read in grade 8. Today I am going to speak a poem on this occasion, Van Mahotsav. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree, A tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the sweet earth's flowing breast. A tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray. A tree that may in summer wear a nest, a robin in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. Thank you and happy One Mahotsav Day.
Thank you for the lovely poem. I have one announcement that after 10 or 5 minutes, please rejoin at the same ID. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Jatin from grade 8 to show his poster.
Sharma. I am here to. I have today. I have prepared a poster on One Mahotsav.
Wow, Jatin, your poster is very beautiful.
Lines on it. A nation that destroyed its soil, destroyed itself. Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh air to us.
Thank you, Jatin. Please give Jatin a big round of applause. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Asha of grade 8 to recite a poem.
Good morning teachers, respected principal ma'am, and all my dear friends. Today I am Asha Rani of class 8. I want to share my poetry. Let's sing a song. Let's come along. Let's plant some trees. Let's get some seeds. Come along and bring a pot. Do good what God has taught. To plant some trees which are home to bees. So hey, let's sing a song. Let's come along. Let's plant some trees. Let's get some seeds. Thank you and happy One Mahotsav.
Wow, that was great. A big round of applause for Asha. Over to you, Pranati.
So now I would like to call Arnav from grade 8 to show his poster.
सुप्रभात आप सबको। मेरा नाम अर्नव शर्मा है और मैं 8वीं कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। अब मेरी कलाकृति यह दर्शाती है कि अगर हम ज्यादा पेड़ लगाएंगे तो फिर हमारी धरती हरी भरी हो जाएगी, और अगर हम पेड़ों को काटते रहेंगे तो हमारी धरती सूख जाएगी और नए पेड़ भी नहीं उगेंगे। इसीलिए अगर हमें किसी कारणवश एक पेड़ काटना भी पड़े तो फिर उसकी जगह 2 पेड़ लगाने चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Wow, Arnav, your poster was very beautiful as well as your speech. So now I would like to call Avalpreet from grade 9 to show her poster. I would like to call Sarabjeet from grade 9th to show his poster. Please welcome Sarabjeet. Please welcome Nimrat from grade 6 to show her poster. Please welcome Ishpreet Singh of grade 9 to show his poster.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Ishpreet Singh. Now I am going to show my poster. When Earth was made, there were many trees on Earth. When the human took birth on the Earth, they started cutting trees and for their outputs. As they know, ozone layer is depleting day by day, and the sun is and the UV rays of the sun reaching the Earth's surface. That cause many problems like skin cancer, global warming. So on the occasion of One Mahotsav, I want to give a message through my poster. Instead of cutting trees, polluting our earth, we should grow more and more trees because we cannot live without oxygen. We cannot live without trees. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Ishpreet. You did a great job. Now I would like to call Amrit from grade 9 to show his. Over to you, Arnav.
Now I would like to call Sahil of grade 8 to recite a poem. Please welcome Sahil. Please welcome Sahil of grade 8 to recite a poem.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sahil, and today I am singing poem on One Mahotsav. Let's sing a song. Let's come along. Let it plan. The plants some trees, to plant trees which are home to be. So here.
Thank you for the lovely poem. That was incredible. A big round of applause for Sahil. Over to you, Pranati.
Everyone is requested, first of all, everyone is requested to rejoin the meeting.
All the students are requested to take pledge position and get ready for the pledge.
We can begin now.
All of us can take the pledge position. Yes.
Earth is our planet. All living creatures on it are very useful and helpful. I love my planet and I am proud of its rich mineral resources. I shall always strive to be worthy of using them. I shall plant more trees to keep myself
and my surroundings clean. I shall always use the products that are environment friendly. To my planet, I pledge my devotion. In saving this planet, in alone lies my happiness and well-being. Save Earth.
Ma'am, are the results ready?
Yes, Vaishali, they are.
So dear students, this is the time to announce the results, and all the participants must be excited, nervous about their results. The wait is over, and I request our chief guest, Ms. Ratandeep Kaur, to announce the names of winners.
Okay. Thank you, Vaishali, ma'am. So, for the declamation, the first winner is Vamika. Second is Rishita Gulati. Third is Ananya Rial.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. We congratulate the winners and their parents for the achievement.
Yes, congratulations all. And everybody was so good. It was very tight results. Yeah, you all were so good. Okay. Now comes.
At last, I would request Kusu ma'am to vocalize a song and national anthem too.
चलो चले हम पेड़ लगाएं, धरती पर हरियाली लाएं। चलो चले हम पेड़ लगाएं, धरती पर हरियाली लाएं। पेड़ रहेंगे जल बरसेगा, खेतों में अनाज उपजेगा, बाग बगीचे लहराएंगे, बाग बगीचे लहराएंगे, इनसे हम सब फल खाएंगे। चलो चले हम पेड़ लगाएं, धरती पर हरियाली लाएं। चलो चले हम पेड़ लगाएं, धरती पर हरियाली लाएं। फुलवारी में फूल खिलेंगे, तितली भंवरे गले मिलेंगे, बागों में चिड़िया चहकेगी, डालों पर कोयल कुहकेगी। हमें मिलेंगी स्वच्छ हवाएं, हमें मिलेंगी स्वच्छ हवाएं। जीवन को जो स्वस्थ बनाए, जीवन को जो स्वस्थ बनाए। चलो चले हम पेड़ लगाएं, धरती पर हरियाली लाएं। चलो चले हम पेड़ लगाएं, धरती पर हरियाली लाएं। Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for a beautiful song. Yes, ma'am, do you have separate results for poster and poetry?
I do, Vishali ma'am. So for poetry, the first, yes. So the winner is Sahiba, and second is Arif Sharma, and the third is Naimisha Sharma.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. And for the poster presentation, the first goes to Anantjeet Singh. Second goes to Angat Singh. And third is Harshal Panchal. Third place, Harshal Panchal.
So congratulations to the winners and their parents for the achievement.
Congratulations, all the winners.
Kindly stand up for the
Congratulations, all the winners. As I can announce the results once again. So declamation, first prize goes to Vamika, second Rishita Pulati, and third to Anaya Rayal. For poster making, its first prize to Ananjit, second to Angad Singh, and third to Harshil Panchal. And for poetry recitation, first prize goes to Sahiba. Okay,
Nobody
okay,
is
beta.
speaking
Sorry,
between.
it is Anaya Rayal. For poetry recitation, first prize goes to Sahiba, second to Arav Sharma, and third to Namishi Sharma. So I can congratulate all the winners and their parents and all the participants who have participated in this program. All of them have done very well, very well. All the presentations were really appreciable. So I hope from next time also we will be getting more participants in these kind of programs, and the winners will be called to the school for their prizes, and each and every participant will also get the certificates of participation. Thank you so much, Ratandeep ma'am.
Thank you so much, Suman ma'am, Vishali ma'am, Sumlata ma'am.
Anaya Real and Anya Real.
Okay,
Okay,
Anya.
Anya
Okay, Anya.
Rayal. I'm extremely sorry for pronouncing your name wrong.
It's okay. Now, thank you.
Okay, Anya. Now, Anya, please mute yourself, beta. Now, please stand up for the national anthem. Over to you, Kusum ma'am.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जया गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद.
Thank you for listening, for inspiration, for encouragement, and most importantly, for giving us your precious time. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.